Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up Stripe Payment Gateway. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go here to your browsers and then go to the URL section and write Stripe. So, let's go Stripe and let's open this website. Now guys, I will need you to sign in. So, let's go to sign in and now we will have to only click in the sign up over here, and like that we will have to create our account. So let's create an account. For example, here we can just make something like that, and here we can, for example, we can use whatever password you can use. Here we choose the country, make it for example like that, or you can go all the way down. Okay, we keep it United States, and we will keep something like so. Here, okay, let me just change this. And here we go. That's actually really nice. Accounts already exist with this email. If you'd like to create new Stripe account with the same email, sign in and follow the manual. Okay, let me just sign in real quick. So I have already an account. I will just sign into my account real quick and then I will be right back to you guys. Back to you guys. So basically this is the dashboard. That's everything you have here. This is the published key and etc. So guys, what I need you to do now is go to here into payment. Basically, guys, you just have to create, for example, a payment link or something like that. So, for example, if you want to create a payment link or create a payment or etc., you just have to go one of these. So, create a payment, and here, what you have to do is wait. Here you put the amount. Here you put the customer, optional customer, which is optional. Here a description, and here's statement description. And basically, you just have to put here the method of payment. You just have to put here your card number, etc. And just like that, you have been set up your payment in Stripe, guys. So thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.